Hello everyone, welcome back to YouTube channel of Developers and Coders Club NIT-A. Today we are here to discuss Codeforces round 866 division 2. First problem, Yura's new name. Let's take a look at the problem statement. After holding one team contest, boy Yura got very tired and wanted to change his life and move to Japan. In honor of such a change, Yura changed his name to something nice. Fascinated by this idea, he already thought up a name S consisting only of characters this and this, but there's a problem. Yura likes smiley face like this and this. Therefore, any character of the name must be a part of this. So we have to in this question we are given test cases and strings containing only these two characters, and there's a condition that this string must look like this and this smiley faces only. So this question can be coded by let's say there's a string like this. So to satisfy given condition, we have to add 1, 2 and 3 symbols here. Another like condition 1, 2, 3. So here we have to add 4 symbols. Let's say another case like so here we have to add only one symbol. So basically what we can relate, we can say that here number of dash is 2, then the symbol required is 2 plus 1 here, because here one symbol is 2 and 3. Here also if C is 3, where C is like accounting of how many dashes are there. C is 3, so we have to add C plus 1 symbol, which is 4. But here the case is different. Why the case is different? Because here the first element and the last one is not dash. So what we have to do, we have to output only C. So rest all so here let's take how the code looks like. First we'll take input of test cases. We'll take integer S. We'll count C, P, X, Y, where C is if consecutive dash occurs, then C will count it as this. Only number of upper arrow and number of low underscore will be counted by P and Z. Similarly X and Y. So if our first element is not dash and second element is also not dash, then we have to output C. So like if first element is not dash, let's say it is this, and second and last element is also not dash, and in between there might be something like this. So basically how many C? So here 1, 2, 3, 4. C is equals to 4. So this question here 1, 2, 3, 4. This one is this 1, 2, 3, 4. So basically here if C is equals to 4, we also have where C is counting of consecutive underscore. So if C is equals to 4, then we have to have output as, then we have to output the number of symbol will be also equals to C, because here we can see after so many examples that output depends upon the number of consecutive underscore. But here came a special condition. Here first element is not underscore and last element is also not underscore. So what if first element is also underscore, last element is not? Then we have to output C plus 1. We have to take one condition like this. Okay. So let's say we have this kind of thing. Here first element is underscore. This. So what? Then we have to add symbol of underscore. Then rest will be. So what? We have to add one symbol and then this two. Basically, here a symbol and here. So here, if we count C, then C is equals to 2. But we required two symbols here. No, C is equals to 1. Here C is equals to 1. Okay. So, but we here required two symbols. Why? Because first element is dash. So what we'll do, we'll add 1 in RC. And if let's say last element is dash, something like this, then we will require here two symbols. Then what we'll do, we'll add 1 in C. And let's say another condition, if first and last both the symbols are underscore, both the string elements are underscore, then we'll have to add C plus 2. Why? Because two symbol, one will be here, one will be here, and another will be here. So here's how the codes looks like. Let's run it. So this is it. Thank you.